Hello everyone, this is Prasanna from IT department slot B. I am going to take the title about sacred drink of Pioneer. Synthesis of urea. In Rome, the Roman used urine donated by kind possessors to clean your clothes and whiten your teeth. That is what the Roman did. Smithsonian Institute informs. Urine was so valuable that there was a regular 5.3 sacred drink of Pioneer 115 trade on it. National Geographic tells the story of smart Roman emperor Vespasian who collected quite some amount of by taking urine trade. Today, public urinals in France are called Vespasians. In Italy, Vespasiani. In 1820, German chemist Friedrich Wöhler succeeded in synthesizing for the first time an organic substance from inorganic chemicals. It was urea, a constituent of urine. Today, Indian farmers eagerly wait for timely supply of urine. In the last few years, Indians have obtained several patents for the use of cow's urine. The uses of course urine are well known in India and are mentioned in Hindu sculptures. Patenting Indian traditional knowledge in stop such practices. And now CSIR is a collaborator in some of these patents in USA. Objections against the grant that allows such private appropriation of religious symbols. Some others said that the GI tag hurt devotees since it reduces prasadam to a commercial product. The Attukal Bhagavati temple in Thiruvananthapuram, one of the ancient temples of South India, is popularly described as the Sabarimala of the woman. The temple is renowned for the annual Attukal Punangala festival. The temple trust obtained trademark registration for the picture of deity and the title Sabarimala of woman. The missionaries of charity obtained a trademark for the blue bordered sari that Mother Teresa used. A GI tag was granted to Hyderabadi Halim, often associated as a Ramadan food. The certificate does not bar anyone from preparing Halim, but they cannot market it as Hyderabadi Halim. History of Pioneer. Pioneer is an ancient town in North Malabar region of Kerala. In the 1980s, it was a major venue of the salt satyagraha. Swami Anandatirtha is a disciple of Narayana Guru, started anti-touchability movement in Pioneer in the 1980s. Motiram. While performing religious rites and ceremonies, Hindu priests are required to wear on the ring finger of the right hand a ring made of kusa. Kusa means Durva, Darba, Darva, grass. This practice is still prevalent. Somewhere in the past, during the reconstruction days of Subramania Swami temple in Pioneer, there was a shortage of darba grass. In Hindu rituals, if an essential item is not available, coinage metal like gold or copper regarding as auspicious are used as an alternative. The chief priest of the temple asked a goldsmith family in Pioneer to make a similar type of ring in gold. Once the temple priest of the famous temple of Pioneer started using the gold made substitute as the sacred ring, it became very popular among people who visited the temple. Sacred ring. The ring spread a symbol of sacredness in Kerala and abroad. The word pavitra means pure, and thus it believed that the ring imparts purity to the mind of people who wear these rings. Some people began to claim that the ring also provides material wealth and prosperity in life. A piece of uniquely crafted ring made of gold and silver. It is shaped like a grass knot and has a three layers of curvy structural lines in the design representing three nerves of the human body, like Ida, Pingala, and Sushmana. These three lines in the center of and the edges of the ring coverage at the certain point of now it form a knot. There are many other intricacies in the design that symbolizes the lotus human body parts, the sun and the planets, stars and galaxies. The intricate design full of symbols is very hard to make. Price of a single ring may reach rupees 1 lakh. Registration for rights. In 1984, a jewelry company applied a registration of Pioneer Pavitra ring as a trademark. A trademark was granted. The exact nature of the award was debated in the subsequent cases. It might be a conditional one restraining the applicant from using the mark without the name of his company. By the time the trademark would come into a renewal of GI Act came into the force. From Pioneer, from other body, a registered society named Pavitra Ring Artisans Development Society submitted an application in February 2004 for the registration of Pioneer Pavitra Ring as a GI. The GI application was accepted, was brought to the public notice, and was publicized as per the procedure in the GI journal. Invited objections and opposition. The writ was a quash, the GI order, and the restrained the real registry from proceeding further with the application. Following a series of court procedures, the dispute ultimately reached the Intellectual Property Appellate Board (IPAB) in 2011. Registration for rights. The case is significant not because of its complexity, because on the way the IPAB issued a judgment based on prior informed consent. Pick. The IPAB felt that the artisans of the pioneer in the state of Kerala, 700 kilometers away, might not be aware of proceeding at Chennai, nor is it right to expect that they reach the GI journal regularly. They must be informed. The appellant was directed by the IPAB to publish the application content in a daily newspaper of Kerala state. In January 2014, the GI registry started a field level inquiry of pioneer. The field visit revealed that there was two different of histories to Pioneer Pavitra ring. Both of them agreed that they are making a golden ring started because Darbar grass was not available. But they differed on which Goldsmith family was asked by the priest to make the ring. The skill was not in consideration. It was the religious sanction that became that matter as a dispute. Solution for the dispute. In terms of J Act, only an association on the group with the legal status can be registered that the GI registry should request the government of Kerala state to intervene in this matter and bottom the intellectual property provisions in the sacred ring design representing a Hindu cosmological concepts that they in the right to replicate it should be shared by Hindus everywhere. Thank you.